I'm sure many of us at some point or the other must have come across such kind of situation. We do not realize that there is a glass door or a glass window and we happen to pass by through it, in the bargain of which we tend to hit our head on that glass door or the glass window, because that glass door or glass window is crystal clear, clean, and we do not see any stains over there, and that's how we realize that there might not be any glass door or glass window. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple hack of how you can avoid such a situation of having someone or yourself bang on the glass door or window. But before I proceed with the hack, let me remind you all to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it, so that you all do not miss out on any of the hack updates that I post on my channel. You all will require to take two different colored tapes. Now I would suggest taking something that's vibrant in color. Here I have taken yellow and red, and you'll have to stick them in. If you want in a design, you can stick them, or I have just put them in two simple horizontal lines. You all can even use stickers if it's your kids room. However, the most important thing is to ensure that this is stuck at eye level, so whoever is crossing by can be vigilant enough by seeing it at one glance that there is tape or sticker there. A very simple solution of saving your head or someone else's head from banging on the glass door or window. Friends, you can also use craft tapes. You get shining craft tapes, and in case if any of y'all are good at glass painting, y'all can even make use of glass paint and paint some design on the glass, so that the person who comes against this glass door or window will realize that there is an existing glass door or window and I must not bang into it. So that's all on today's episode. Hope you have liked this hack. Do let me know in the comment section. Also, please let me know from where all y'all are viewing my hacks from. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.